Spain. The land of flamenco, football, and fast cars. What if I told you Spain builds millions of cars every year? More than Italy, the UK, even France. From humble beginnings to becoming a global auto hub. This is the untold story of Spain's car industry. When you think of cars, you probably think Germany, Japan, America. But Spain quietly rose to become one of the world's top car exporters. Today, brands like Seat, Cupra, and Pegaso carry the Spanish badge, while global giants like Volkswagen, Renault, and Mercedes build millions of cars in Spanish factories. This is a story of resilience, passion, and a new electric future. 1. The birth of Seat. Spain's national brand Spain's modern car story begins in 1950, with the birth of Seat, Sociedad Española de Automóviles de Turismo. Created under Franco's dictatorship, Seat's mission was simple: put Spain on wheels. The legendary Seat 600 became a symbol of freedom. Affordable, small, and everywhere. For many Spanish families, it wasn't just a car. It was the start of mobility, independence, and dreams. 2. The rise of Pegaso. Spain's hidden supercar, but Seat wasn't alone. Spain also had Pegaso, a truck maker that shocked the world in the 1950s by producing some of the most advanced supercars of its time, like the Pegaso Z102. These rare machines rivaled Ferrari and Aston Martin. Though Pegaso's supercar dream faded, its engineering brilliance cemented Spain's place in automotive history. 3. Global giants move in. As Spain opened up in the 1970s and 80s, global automakers rushed in. Factories from Volkswagen, Renault, Peugeot, Nissan, Mercedes, and Ford turned Spain into a production powerhouse. Why Spain? Skilled workforce, strategic location for Europe, and export-strong infrastructure by the 1990s. Spain wasn't just building cars for itself. It was exporting millions worldwide. 4. Seat and Cupra. From local hero to global brand in 1986. Volkswagen Group bought Seat. This changed everything. Seat modernized, grew globally, and later launched Cupra, a performance and electric sub-brand. That S, now one of the fastest-growing car names in Europe. From the family-friendly Seat Ibiza to the sporty Cupra Formentor, Spanish cars today compete on the world stage. 5. Spain's electric future. The future. Electris. Spain is now betting big on EVs and batteries. Volkswagen is building a massive EV gigafactory in Valencia. Seat is leading Europe's push for affordable electric cars. And Spanish startups are experimenting with electric microcars and mobility solutions for crowded cities like Barcelona and Madrid. Spain isn't just making cars. It's shaping the future of urban mobility. 6. Why Spain matters in the global car world. Spain may not always get the spotlight, but it's Europe's second largest car producer and one of the top 10 in the world. From the Seat 600 that gave people freedom. 2. Cupra's bold electric machines that redefine performance. Spain's auto story is about passion, resilience, and reinvention.